Hey there, today I want to show you how to play videos in your game scene. You can use this, for example, for a TV like this. So to play a video on a plane, we can just add a component, VideoPlayer. Here we choose video clip as source and then just drag and drop our video or choose it from our select clip. You can also play it in loop, so the clip never ends. You can also influence your video player by code. For example, you can set the render mode. Or sometimes you don't want to include your video files to your game, so you load them from an URL. Here you have to set the source to URL and give the video player the URL to a video file. From the script, you can also start your video and stop your video. So, I hope you learned something new today. Subscribe to watch more tutorials and I'm sure I see you in the next.